Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to autopilot Tesla Model 3. First, ensure your Tesla's software is up to date for optimal performance and safety features. Autopilot is a driver assistance system, not a fully autonomous one, so your active supervision is always required. Familiarize yourself with the system's capabilities and limitations before engaging it on the road. This foundational understanding is crucial for a smooth and safe experience. To engage autopilot, simply pull the right stalk on your steering column down twice in quick succession. You'll see a blue steering wheel icon appear on your display, indicating the system is active. Remember, even with autopilot engaged, you must keep your hands on the steering wheel and remain attentive to the road. The car will remind you if it detects your hands are not present. Autopilot helps maintain your set speed and a safe following distance from the car ahead. It also provides automatic lane keeping, helping your Tesla stay centered in its lane on highways. While it can navigate on interchanges and take exits, always be prepared to intervene. The system is designed to assist, not replace, your driving responsibilities. Safety is paramount when using autopilot. Always be prepared to take manual control of your vehicle at any moment, especially in unpredictable situations or adverse weather. Avoid using autopilot in complex urban environments or construction zones where its capabilities might be challenged. Remember, it's a driving assistant, not a substitute for your full attention. Also, check the description for a link to grab some Little Trees black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.